Hello, this is Sandra Hart again. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm glad to have you along today. Today I'm going to talk about fashion, and I'm going to talk about French chic.
La chambre si noire que mes deux petits yeux n'arrivent pas à croire qu'ils sont heureux. Est-ce que le jour est...
Last week I did a French chic wardrobe using my white tee, white shirt, and white pants. Well, this fashion show is going to be with two pieces. My black t-shirt and my black pants. And I'm going to switch them up with the same accessories that I used in my other video. And I'm going to show you. Oh, hello, Sophie. She sees something. Maybe it's a turkey. I'm going to be able to vary my wardrobe and walk the streets of Paris looking very chic and very comfortable in the outfits that I'm putting together with just my black tee and my black pants. All right, let's get started. A very basic black tee and black stretch pants with an accessory that the French always do, a belt, a necklace, a scarf, something to catch your eye. Very basic outfit that will take you anywhere in France on a nice day. And this next outfit, I have paired it with a aqua or turquoise sweater that I can throw over my outfit if it gets chilly, if I'm going out in the morning, or if I'm taking a promenade at night to a cafe. It's very colorful, and again, like the French, just one piece that catches the eye will make a simple outfit beautiful. And here I am with a scarf, and of course my Panama hat, protecting myself from the sun, and again, just the basic black tee and black stretch pants. Very simple, very nice, but the scarf is the accent that will catch everyone's eye, and the hat as well. Here is another outfit again with the black pants and of course the black velvet jacket that can go anywhere. Casually, it can go to the theater, it can go to a cafe for a soiree, a bite at night. Whenever you're out in France, that will go. Again, the black tee with the black pants, and I paired it with the focal point is this nice light polka dot blouse. The French usually just pick one thing to catch your eye, and they are just dressed very basically. So you don't need a lot of clothes if you want to look chic and if you want to look like you're walking the streets of Paris. All you need are a couple of basic things and an accent piece, and you're ready to go. Thank you so very much for watching today. I love having you with me. Don't forget to be good to yourself, to be kind to someone, and don't forget to share the love. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.